for today, I'm putting the radio gmrs portable in the Cadillac. I'm running the antenna to the top. I'm putting this in there. I'm gonna take these out of this car because I ordered some more. They might be here a little later on the day, but I might need these right now. So I'm gonna take them down and put them in the Cadillac. So my antenna for that is sitting back here. I'm gonna have to move that up here because the cord doesn't reach. Like, I think it stops like right here. So I'm gonna put that right there. Probably run it all through the seams. I'm gonna open up and see where I'm gonna put the connectors though. Guess that's what we doing now. A little helper. Alright. So I'm running lines for that antenna. Now that antenna is what I was talking about. I cannot put on that truck because when I go in the garages, not like these, but like parking structure garages, my antenna hits it. And I can hear clang, 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 clang each ramp I pass. So, I'm gonna make that cutout here, here. And it'll still be weatherproof, so no rain or water get in there because it's gonna be a hole. It's gonna be a opening for the line to slip through, and this will seal it back up. There's gonna be one here and one here. And push the weatherproof seal back in there, you won't even be able to see it. So I got that running all through there. It's coming through here, down here, and I'm about to run that underneath here and tuck that. So I gotta take that plastic part down there off. It's gonna be running to here. Now I put these two on here that was on the truck. I took them off. So that's gonna be sitting here like that. So it's gonna be like this. Like that. Right, so this is how this is going to be framed out, just like this. So with that being said, this antenna will be coming off because at this point, I will have a mobile antenna, which will be this thing. Once I run the thing that connects to this. So once I do that, this will become a mobile radio. It's mobile slash, I can still take it out, but it'll be portable, but slash mobile. So, yeah. And I can still use my phone here. That's what I like about this. So, I think this was a good idea to put it in this car instead of, I may put it in that car instead of this car. This profile works better for this one. I like that. I really like that. Yeah. Alright, so let me do that and make the cutouts and I'll be back for that cord. Alright, so I made the first thing. I might have to make some adjustments to this rubber seal. Just a little bit. Maybe cut into the lip of that. Hold on. So now it's flush with it. Kind of had to cut into a little bit and it won't interfere with whatever gets in there. And there you go. So get that off. I have an oopsie, but I got some paint to fix that. Matching paint. But you can't even tell it's been cut right there now. So the line is running from there back. I'd rather have it where I got a little bit more space, so maybe turn it like that. Yeah, so it's going like there, down through. Now, I'm going to completely tuck this right. Damn, that's one. God, I gotta get rid of these fucking old smacking mouths. Like I said, stop smoking. That's why they still in this car. I ain't got a chance to clean this car out since I stopped. So, yeah, I'm gonna have to do a deep clean because there's ashes and shit all over this car. I don't know. I might take it to a detail shop and let them do this shit. Yeah, I'll probably do that. Let them do a deep detailing. Okay, so everything is ran, kind of tucked away. Yeah, pull it out more. I'm about to fix that, but yeah, I really need to clean this car out. Deep clean since I stopped smoking. Because I can hook this back up now. My FM transmitter in this car. Yeah, so let's test this out. Okay, I'm hitting the repeater. WR, can I get a radio check? If anybody up and on a repeater at this time.
Radio is working 696 and I-75 WS.
Okay, thank you. I just set up another mobile setup in my other car. Thank you for responding back. Standing by listening. All right, so it's a success.
What's your location, please?
I am Detroit.
We're relatively close. I'm at 696 and I-75. I am on the base.
Okay, you coming in loud and clear.
Thank you, sir.
WR standing by as well. All right, so it's a success. Everything is working. I'm able to hit the repeaters, no problems. And the antenna works. And it's a low profile on this car. Like I said, on the other car, I couldn't have it like on SUVs or trucks because if I go into a parking structure or a garage, the antenna literally be bing, 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 and tearing it up. So here, an antenna, perfect size for this car. And you can't even tell it's running on the inside of it. So it's good. Everything's a success. I swapped everything over. Let me know what y'all guys think. Until next time.